Hello, you're welcome. We'll be looking at who and whom and when to use it in a sentence. Who is used for the subject of a sentence or a clause, that is the person performing the action, while whom is used as the object of a preposition or a verb in a sentence. That is the person receiving the action. Let's also bear in mind that who and whom, they are all pronouns. Who and whom are all pronouns. Who is likened to using I in a subject, he, she, we, they, while whom as an object is likened to using us, me, her, his, them, and so on in a subject. Hope you understand the two now. This is for subject, and why this with an M is for object, right? Now, when in doubt, use this trick. It helps. If you can replace she or he with, in a sentence with who, use who. If you can replace she, when in doubt, if you can replace the word with either she or he, use whom. If you can replace the word with either him or her, use what? Whom in that particular sentence. Bear in mind also that using these two words in sentences correctly will help in your writing, particularly in your formal documents, and it can also make you sound more polished. Are we all there? Let's use these two words in sentences and see how it goes. Now let's substitute who versus whom for these sentences and let's see how it goes. You will enjoy the class, I promise. Dash baked this cake. He baked this cake. Him baked this cake. Which one do you think should go well with the sentence? Is it the object or the subject? Is the subject, right? So we'll replace it with who. Who baked this cake? Start with a capital letter because that's the beginning of a sentence. Number 2, for dash was this cake made. For dash was this cake made. I made this cake for her. I made this cake for she. Is it her or she that should go better for this sentence? I made this cake for her. I made this cake for she. She and her, which one is preferable? Is it not her? I made the cake for her. So we'll go for the object, which is whom. Let's go to number 3. Dash ate my food. She ate my food. Her ate my food. What should go better? The subject. Who ate my food? Number 4. That should I talk to about the class? I should talk to her about the class. I should talk to she about the class. Her, right? So we'll go for whom. Whom should I talk to about the class? Let's look at number 5. To dash was the letter addressed. I addressed the letter to her. I addressed the letter to she. I addressed the letter to her. So whom should go better? To whom was the letter addressed? Dash would like to be on your team. Dash would like to be on your team. So what should we go for there? Who would like to be on your team? Who would like to be on your team? That number 7 and 8, I want to see you try those two sentences and I want to see the answer in the comments. Hope you really enjoyed the class. If you actually did, please can you hit the subscribe button and join us. Bye-bye.